Are you thinking about selling your home and trying to figure out where to begin? Here's what you need to know and some things we need to do before your home ever goes on the market for sale that we have not been doing for a while. And some of those may be things like pre-sale home inspections so that we can do any repairs and any deferred maintenance before you go on the market for sale. We may want to do some painting. We may want to do some upgrades. We may want to do some cleaning. We may want to do some things to your landscaping. But all these things that for the longest time sellers didn't have to do, you just put a for sale sign in the yard, are not things that we're doing anymore. Then we're absolutely positively going to need professional photography. We're going to need to sit down and talk about the new world marketing plan. And then the last couple things are, it's got to show like a model home. The cleaner, more picked up that it is, the better. This is why you see new home construction sales spend fortune on their model homes. And we also need to make the home as easy as possible for agents and their clients to go and show the property. These are all things that we would sit down and talk about and put a specific marketing plan together based on your specific home and what your case is. And we'd love to sit down and talk to you about it. So if you have questions or things and you want to reach out to us, you can obviously just message us here or call us. We're happy to sit down and get a game plan for you, whether it's talking about doing it now, 6 months from now, or even a year or two from now. There might be some things that you need to start getting ready to get your home for sale in the future or currently.